What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree Dupree, and I'm back with another video. Shout out to Zach Morris treating his girlfriend out on Insta. I don't know why it just said tweeting his girlfriend out on Insta, because you don't tweet on Instagram. Anyways, got this shirt at Meijer, like $2. Shout out to Saved by the Bell. Anyways, we're here today because we're doing what I love to do, okay? We're swatching lipsticks. I have been told my whole entire life that I have beautiful lips. It's the number one thing I get complimented on a daily basis. So I like to do lip swatch videos, and I'm currently getting into more nudes. Some shocker, and I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills nude kit of these liquid lipsticks. It is my first time ever purchasing liquid lipsticks from ABH, and I bought another one separately from them, and I've only used that one, so I've never used these. They're still in their little package. I'm trying to get them out as we speak, and I thought we would swatch these. I only have a few minutes because I have to go pick up my mom from her job. So yeah, so I'm gonna swatch these four. I think this is a lip gloss or a lip topper. This is a lip gloss, so I'm just gonna put this one probably on top of one of these or something. And this one is like a metallic, so we've got a couple of different formulas here. I also bought the shade Naked, and if you want to also wear the shade Naked, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Leave me a comment down below which nude lipstick is your favorite from any brand, or which nude lipstick did you like on me, and comment your IG handle so I can DM you and let you know that you won a brand new spanking ABH Naked liquid lipstick. And let's get into the lip swatches. Okay, so this is the shade Naked. This is the shade that you can win in the giveaway. I know it looks like it might be a little too pale. I'm a little tan. If you're lighter than me, this will look really good, but I like to pair this up with a brown lip liner that I'm not going to do today, just for the sake of you guys getting the color. But it is a really cute peachy nude, and I like to pair this up with a brown lip liner and a peachy lip gloss, and it looks super cute. So if you want to win this or have this lipstick, just enter my giveaway. Details about it will be in the description box down below. Okay, the next shade we're going to go into, this is the color Sand, and we'll swatch them so you guys can see. Oh, this is a different applicator than the one from Naked. This one's a flat applicator. So here's Naked there. Sand looks more like a brown or a neutral nude. And let's try it on. Okay, so here is Sand. It kind of is giving me concealer lip vibes. Not the worst nude I've ever tried on. Again, anything looks good with a brown lip liner, and a gloss. But this could be cute if you're doing a really dark, sultry eye. I'm not mad at it. It's definitely giving me concealer lips and vibes, but I'm not mad at it. And so here's Sand. All right, the next one is called Peachy, and I'm guessing it's gonna be a peachy nude. No smell, well, not really a smell. My camera around of space. So this is peachy. Definitely a peachy nude. I kind of like it. And this is how it looks swatch. So definitely in its own unique category. The next one is called On Mute. It definitely looks more of a brown mauve nude. This is how it looks there. Let's try it on. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. It's giving me a nice brownie nude moment. It's definitely something I would wear on its own without a lip liner. Here it is compared to all the other ones. Definitely in its own zone. A lot of these are in its own zone. Let's try the lip gloss on top. The lip gloss is called Summer Vibes. I'll swatch it on its own. It's very, I don't know if you can see it. It's just very glittery. And let's just see how it looks on top of this. I'm not going to swatch it by itself because I don't feel like there's a lot to it. But, oh, you see that? It just transformed the lip. Oh, that's nice. I like this. It smells nice too. You can't feel the glitters on there. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's beautiful. Ugh. I am a gloss whore. I love putting a nice gloss on top of a nude lip. And that is just gorgeous. And we have one more left. Definitely leaves a sticky cast, but alright. Let me put my highlighter back on. Alright. The last one is a metallic. This is called Beaming. And it's a liquid lipstick. It's just a metallic liquid lipstick. Oh, this is giving me... I have something like this from Jeffree Star. Let's try it on. Definitely sheer. Or a little sheer. Alright, there we go. Here it is swatched next to everything else. And we'll back up a little bit. And here it is on me. And you know what? I'm not mad at it. Isn't my favorite? No. But I'm not mad at it. It's giving me vibes. It kind of reminds me of this shade from Jeffree Star. This is Thirst Trap. There it is right there. But it's a little bit, well, they kind of look. This one's a little bit more, I guess, dark. Thirst Trap is down there. But they do look very similar. I feel like I like this formula better. It doesn't look as patchy or as inconsistent as his. But yeah, definitely something you can put in the center of the lip or something. So that concludes my very quick lip swatch of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nude Collection, Nude Vault, whatever they're calling it. If you like to win an ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Naked, be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below what your Instagram name is so I can let you know if you're the winner or not. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what shades of Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks you like. I know some people like them, some people don't. It is what it is with that. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because I have 2 more giveaways going on, or that are going to be going on very soon. And probably more to come. So subscribe if you like free makeup, subscribe if you like my face, subscribe if you like my lips like everybody else does, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.